Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome friends to our channel. Today we get you an interesting puzzle and the name of the puzzle is the emoji puzzle. Here you can see a list of emojis whose names are the sunglasses, the heart eyes, the winky with tongue, the devil, the tears of joy. We have to find the value of all these emojis and put the value in this final equation so that we can find out the answer of this puzzle. So guys, let's start. But before jumping to the final solution, let's start a timer and pause this puzzle for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle together. And friends, put your answer in the comment section. So our timer starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answer. Let's jump to the solution and solve the first equation. So we have first picked this fourth equation because in this equation, as you can see, we have only two emojis present. One is the wink and the other one is the heart eyes. We can solve this equation very easily in terms of the heart eyes. So one heart eyes value is equal to 3 winks. Now jumping on to our second equation, because it has wink in it and the heart eyes in it. So we put one emoji value in this and solve it for the other. Now here you can see in this equation we have one sunglass, one wink and their total value is equal to the heart eyes. We know the value of heart eyes, that is equal to 3 winks. So moving this wink to the right side, it will become 3 winks minus 1 wink. So the final value of a sunglass in terms of wink will be sunglass equal to 2 winks. Jumping to our third equation, here you can see one sunglass, one wink and their total value is equal to 8 plus wink. And we know the value of sunglass is equal to 2 winks. Also, heart eyes equal to tear of joy. We keep the value of tear of joy as the heart eyes, that is 3 winks. Their total value is equal to 8 plus wink. So, solving this equation for the wink, we'll get the value of the wink as 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. Now putting back in the dependent equation of the winks, we'll get the value of heart eyes and tear of joy and the sunglass. Now we know from the first equation we have heart eyes value equal to 3 winks. We know the value of wink, that is equal to 2. So heart eyes value is equal to 6. Similarly, we know heart eyes equal to tear of joy, as you can see in this equation. So tear of joy is also equal to 6. Jumping to the third dependent equation, we can see sunglass equal to 2 winks, 1 wink is equal to 2. So total value is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So sunglass value is equal to 4. Now jumping to our first equation, where you can see we have to find the value of the devil. Now Here in this equation we have one sunglass, one heart eyes, one wink. Their total value is equal to 4 devil. We know the value of sunglass, that is equal to 4, heart eyes value equal to 6, and wink value is equal to 2. So when you total this up, that will be equal to 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, and their total value is equal to 4 devils. So one devil will be 12 divided by 4, and one devil finally came out to be 3. Now at the end of this equation we have wink equal to 2, heart eyes equal to 6, tear of joy equal to 6, sunglass equal to 4, and finally devil's value is equal to 3. We know the value of all emojis. Now finally jump to the final equation. In the final equation you can see sunglass, wink, tear of joy, and devil. So we know the value of every emoji here, that is sunglass equal to 4, wink equal to 2, its multiplication is with tear of joy, that is equal to 6, and devil equal to 3. According to the BODMAS rule, we have to first solve this multiplication sign, that is 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Now adding these two up will give 16. 16 minus 3 will give our final answer, that is 13. So this puzzle is also solved. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video with your friends and family. You can also follow us on our Instagram page, that is @puzzle solver video. Thanks again. Bye bye.